So we have a movie here. Let's check it out and let's find out.
What's in the box?
This didn't originally come in this box. This is a free reign coffee box. This is the coffee company that Cole Hauser, the one that plays Rip on Yellowstone, he's the owner of it. So let's check out this. This is from Amazon.com. Alright, so let's get this open. Inside we have... Sorry, my camera's in kind of a weird angle. We have Se7en, the 4K Ultra HD. This is the steelbook. So this movie came out in 1995, starring Brad Pitt and Morgan Freeman. Actually, I watched this after 1995, but it's been quite a while. This is the 4K steelbook. I can already hear something moving around in there. That's the back of the card there. Here's the front of the steelbook. Here's the back. And inside we have a disc just moving around on its own. Hopefully it didn't get scratched up. We have the digital code. Screenshot that. So that's pretty much it. No, actually, hold on. Yeah, there's no Blu-ray, but there's some pictures in there. So I'm really excited to watch this. It's been a very long time since I've seen it. This is a David Fincher film. So the reason why this movie was supposed to come out on 4K, the reason why it didn't right away, is because David Fincher himself said that he wanted a really good product, not something that was just thrown together. So he personally, if I'm quoting this correctly, he personally oversaw the remastering of this movie. So I'm excited to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.